Scientists peering through particle accelerators, smashing atoms together at near the speed of light, hunting for the smallest building blocks of reality. Meanwhile, mystics have been whispering for ages about hidden realms, subtle planes, cosmic mirrors. String theory slams those worlds together and says, what if you're both wrong and right? It proposes that beneath quarks and electrons, beneath protons and neutrons, lie vibrating strings. One-dimensional filaments, whose oscillations give rise to every known particle. Think of each string like a musical instrument. Pluck a violin string one way, you get one note. Pluck another way, you get a different note. In the cosmic symphony, those notes are electrons, photons, quarks. But, and this is where your head might spin, it only works if there are 10, 11, maybe even more dimensions. Where are they? Curled up in microscopic loops you can't see, stacked beneath the familiar 3 of space and 1 of time. Now hold on before you nod off. Ask yourself this. Why would the universe invest in hidden dimensions? The answer string theorists propose is balance. Just as a spider's web gains strength from its fine threads, the fabric of reality requires extra dimensions to maintain internal consistency. Remove them and the math unravels. But embrace them and suddenly new doors swing open. The possibility of parallel universes. The multiverse concept born from those extra dimensions. Every choice you make, left or right, speak or remain silent, could be the fork that births a new reality where you chose differently. This is where physics meets metaphysics in a head-on collision. The multiverse isn't just science fiction, it's a natural outcome of the equations. It suggests that our cosmos is one bubble in a frothing sea of universes, each with its own laws, its own dimensions, its own story. And if that doesn't blow your mind, consider how this dovetails with ancient teachings. The occult masters spoke of planes of existence, subtle worlds just beyond our senses, each vibrating at its own frequency. String theory gives you a modern blueprint for those teachings. Critics call it untestable, mathematical indulgence, or worse, metaphysical masquerading as physics. And they have a point. We haven't directly measured an 11th dimension, but remember this. You can't see the wind, yet you feel it. You can't see gravity's curves, yet apples fall. Science has a history of unveiling invisible structures, electromagnetism, quantum fields, space-time curvature. Why draw the line at hidden dimensions? What does this mean for you, sitting in your world of deadlines, relationships, self-doubt? It means your every thought, every intention, every choice resonates across unseen realms. Your inner state could ripple through the cosmic web, altering reality in ways you can't imagine. It's the logical extension of the same principles that built your smartphone and mapped your genome. So stop treating spirituality and science as enemies. They're both seeking the same truth. How this wondrous play unfolds. The strings undergirding your body, the dimensions folding beneath your feet, the parallel selves you might never meet. They're all part of the grand design. So embrace the mystery, but don't abdicate your reasoning. Learn the equations if you can, meditate on the harmonics if you must, and realize that the universe is bigger, deeper, and far more musical than you ever dared to imagine. Humanfluence, out.